low-key heaters, and hype beast sneakers. YouTube family, what is good, man? What is good with y'all, man? Glad to be back rocking out with y'all, man. Look, we got to start the week off with a banger, man. So yes, man, your boy has some unboxings to get to today, man. A couple shoes that I have had, man. I had these shoes for a little while now. I'm just not getting to them, you know what I'm saying, to unbox them on the channel. But however, we must get to them. I'm ready to see these shoes. I had them sitting around in my room for too long, but I've been busy, and you know, hey, it is what it is. Before we get into it, if this is y'all first time stopping through, man, we need y'all to rock out with the fam. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already done so, man. A lot of y'all have been, you know, tapping in and being new to the channel, man. So big shout out to y'all, and extra big shout out to all the OGs and everybody who has been rocking out with your boy along the way, man. 100K is on the way. It's on the way, man. So yes, man, with that being said, we are not going to stall out. We are going to dive into the video. Make sure y'all give this video a like, man. Do not go without giving it a like. Go ahead, do that real quick before we dive into the unboxings. And also let me know your feedback on the pickups. You know what I'm saying? One of these shoes, I do not, you know, feel like, I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel about the first shoe I'm about to unbox. I gotta see them in hand. Once I see them, I'll know if they'll be staying in the collection, or I might sell them to one of y'all for retail. You know what I'm saying? So we about to dive into it. Let's get into it and see what your boy got. Yes, sir. Bang, man. So here we go, man. The first shoe, your boy does have a Nike sneakers app W, man. And I'm about to tell y'all how to get y'all some W's here in a second. Let me unbox this first. But yes, man, I do have a Nike sneakers app W, a shoe that I picked up. I got this shoe on an exclusive access probably about a week or so ago. I'm just now getting to it, man. But here it is, man. You see the red box, and bang, man, we gotta bless it with a bang, man. But yes, man, you see the all over red box, Nike on it. Size tag reads women's Air Jordan 1 retro, man, size 10.5 W, which is equivalent to a 9 in men's, man. I ain't gonna waste that much time because we do have two shoes to unbox. Y'all see what it is. You already know what it is. Y'all seen it all throughout YouTube, but this is my first time seeing them in hand, so I don't know, man. It looked kind of feminine, a little too feminine for me in pictures, but let me see what they look like in hand, man. So y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Bang, man. So here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 denims. So they're not looking bad, man. They're not looking bad. And the way them red laces is just sitting right there on them, man. That's the move right there, bro. That's the move. But yeah, man, let me take them out real quick. Get my of course, hey, that emblem, the big earring, the oversized earring. I think that's what that's supposed to be, as an earring, but that got to go, you know what I'm saying? But I think I can work with them, bruh. I think I can work with these, man. So yeah, I think I can do a little something. I can shake a little something with these, you feel me? Pause. Yeah, I can make them shake is what I should have said. But yeah, man, here they go, bruh. The Air Jordan 1 denims. Okay, it's not that. I think I can work with them. Bang! So here they go, man. The Air Jordan 1 denim. I almost want to do this right now, man. Y'all gotta give me a second. Alright, y'all. So bang!
Yes, sir.
Much better, man. So here we have them, the Air Jordan 1 in the denim colorway, man. And these not bad, bro. These I'm keeping them. Let me just say that. So I didn't think I was gonna be keeping them. They looked real feminine. I mean, they still got like a, I don't know, but they just look like a jean shoe to me. Now I don't really want to call them feminine after seeing them in hand. It just looks like a denim shoe, man. So these I can work with, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to probably rock with the red laces or a different color, but that emblem makes a world of a difference. This metal gold earring style thing, you know what I'm saying? After taking this out, looking at the shoe, it is not bad at all, man. So this did recently release, and it is clean in my opinion, man. So here they were before, of course, with that big women's earring on it, but they're not bad, bro. So I'm definitely gonna hold on to these. I can do some things with them. And hold on, let me see. I got this hat right here, bro. Like, you know, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Do something like that, something light, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's a vibe, man. So definitely not a bad pair of shoes, man. Let me know, should I throw these on feet with a fit and show y'all, you know, how I might style them up or whatnot, man. Y'all let me know down below in the comment section. But the Air Jordan 1 denim is definitely not a bad shoe, and it's staying in the collection, bro. I'm definitely digging them, man. But yeah, man, just a quick look. That is the first shoe that your boy is unboxing, and it does come with that extra set of laces, as you can see right there, man. We ain't gonna spend too much time on this because I do have a heater I want to talk about and get into, man. So let me go ahead and get these up out the way, set them back here behind me, and let's get into the next shoe real quick, man. So appreciate you. Hold that thought. Before we hit y'all with that bang, man, let's talk about how you can secure some heat like what your boy is about to show y'all, man. So check this out, man. On September 30th, there is a real limited sneaker that is releasing. Some of y'all may know, some of y'all might not know. It is the Nike Off-White Dunks, the Futura or Future. I'm butchering the name, but that's it right there. Those are releasing in 2 colorways this upcoming Friday, September 30th, and a lot of people will be taking L's, and you know, hey, it is what it is, man. I got a way that probably can help you secure pairs, and if you want to get a personal, or if you want to do a little flipping and skipping and all that stuff, I got the right product for you, man. So check this out, man. There's a product called Addict. It is a bot. Yes, don't throw nothing at me. Yes, it is a bot that will be restocking copies of its product the night before, man. So you really have a limited time to go ahead and try to get in and secure that product, so you can go ahead and secure you some pairs if that's what you want, you know what I'm saying? But let me go ahead and tell y'all a little bit about what the product does and you know, the benefits of it. So basically, Addict is a product that has unlimited tasks on over 100, you know what I'm saying, of the most hyped retailers such as Sneakers App, Yeezy Supply, Travis Scott, Kith, the list goes on, you know what I'm saying. This app will basically help you when trying to cop the drop on the 30th, of course, as well increases your chances the more tasks you have. And they do have monitors for any item to ensure you never miss any restocks, and you're alerted pretty much anytime when to check out on your desired item. You can monitor items such as the Air Force Ones, Dunks, and other hype sneakers that may restock on Sneakers App and other retailers. So this will also be extra handy for the Off-White Dunks, as you can set up the monitor to be alerted if they shock drop any pair. So whenever shock drops and things happen, they will let you know, hey, a shock drop is coming, so you'll be ahead of the game. So it's a good little package that you're getting. They'll let you know about raffles to maximize your chances of success on a specific item. You'll be able to enter all the latest raffles on countless websites. So you know, the bot does all the work for you. You just got to go ahead and try to secure it when it does become available. It's a lot going on right there, man. So hey, if you want to go ahead and check it out, it's a lot of success that's been coming from it. You can go ahead and check out the link that I will have down below in the description. That'll, you know what I'm saying, get you over there to see if you can get in to secure a bot for yourself. But yeah, man, if you want to go ahead and get into that, that is all up to you. But increase your chances of copping hype sneakers, limited sneakers, whatever it is. Go ahead and check that out. Don't sleep on it, man. But other than that, we're gonna jump right back into the video and see what your boy got that's hype beastish. So back to scheduled programming. Bang, man. So here we go, man. I do have a package that was sent to me by the homie Soles by Zay, man. Shout out to the homie Soles by Zay. He did provide these to your boy, and bruh, hey, the price, man, the price I couldn't beat, bro. I couldn't beat. So big shout out to him for blessing me with these. I wouldn't have got them anywhere else because they are going for a crazy amount. But like I said, man, you know, he be looking out for me. I be looking out for him. So we do have a pair that came straight from him, man. So Soles by Zay, he does sell 100% authentic shoes, man. I put my stamp on them. So give him a follow over on Instagram. Tell him your boy Jay sent you. He might look out for you on a deal, man. So check out what he has over there. He does have early shoes that are coming out like a month from now or so, and like I said, they're 100% legit. Do not, you know, think that he's iffy or anything. I put my stamp on it, so take my word. But other than that, man, let's pop open this box and see what we got, man. Does it even open from this side? It might open from the bottom, but I'm gonna get it open right here. I'm gonna get it open right here, man. So I got him. I got him. So yes, sir, taking out the box. Oh, yes, sir. So taking a look at the box right there, man. What you think your boy done copped? So something's a little off, you know what I'm saying, with this box, you know, pun intended, you know what I'm saying. So we do have an all over silver aluminum style box, man. Taking a look at it, you know, it's all Swiss cheesed up to say, oh, you already know what's going on. You already know what's going on. But taking a look at the size tag, it reads Nike Air Force One Low SP Brooklyn BK, man. So I did get an 8.5 in these. Air Forces do run slightly big. I usually go 9. I go true to size of my Air Forces, but an 8.5 will be like a perfect snug fit for me, man. So yes, your boy got him a pair of, you can see right there, the yellow paper. Y'all ready, man? Whoo-wee! Bang! The Nike Air Force One Brooklyns, aka them slime guys, man. But yes, sir, man. Hypebeast Jay is in the building. So this is my fourth, I think it's my fourth pair of off-white Air Forces. Your boy does have a little collection of the off-white Air Forces. If you've been watching the channel, you've seen the ones that I've unboxed and all that stuff, man. But yes, sir. Shout out to the homie Souls by Zay, man. So off the back, I do see they come with an extra set. Smelling marvelous. With an extra set of the off-white black laces and got him. Hypebeast Jay. Bang! Here they go right here, man. The Nike Air Force One off-white Brooklyn joints, man. These shoes are going. They're going, not what I paid. They're going close to 2K, man. Going close to 2K for these shoes, and I didn't pay nothing close to that, man. So shout out to the homie for blessing me with them. And yeah, man, they right here in the building, man. What y'all thoughts and opinions on these, man? I might gotta bring these out on an occasion, a special occasion. But of course, nice materials on them, as you know your off-white Air Force Ones have had in the past. Nothing different. These are clean, man. These are clean. These are definitely what I call eye catchers, bruh, because that's all it's gonna do. It's gonna catch the eyes of everybody you walk by with these shoes, man. So it does have the made in Vietnam, you know what I'm saying, paper right there. If it clears up, yep, got that right there. And I did show y'all the laces already, and man, hey, got them joints, bruh. Like, I never thought that this was gonna be a pair that I had or I would get, and they right here in my hand, man. So definitely shout out to him again. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and feedback on the Nike Air Force One Brooklyn colorway. And yeah, man, other than that, I see some detailing that we got on the inside. It's like you got Virgil's face right there on the inside, and then you got Virgil's hand waving. Oh my God, what happened to Virgil? I'm so sick of that song, but hey, R.I.P. to Virgil, man. So that is the details on the inside. Nice little green tab on the side. Off-white vibes, yes sir. And does this have anything written on it? Nah, it's just a plain off-white tab. You know, usually on off-white shoes, well, do my Air Forces have stuff written on it? I know the Jordans do, but I'm not sure if my Air Forces have stuff written on it, man. But anyways, the off-white Air Force One Brooklyns are in the collection. Shout out to my guy Zay again, man. But yeah, man, checking out with them. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions on them. Which is your favorite color? I still need the lemonade. That's the only color I think I need is the lemonade. The white pair, too much money. Black pair, too much money. I just need the lemonades, and hopefully I can get those for a good price one of these days, man. But yeah, I'm checking out, man. Y'all let me know y'all thoughts and opinions. Leave a like on this video. I'm gonna catch up with y'all on the next one. Your boy Jay is making movies, and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, because that's where I might throw on a fit with these, man. It'll be soon. So make sure y'all give me a follow. Y'all stay blessed. I'm gone, man. Peace.